Hello, and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this series of videos of Acumatica 2026 R2, we're going to talk about the introduction of file tags. So file tags allow you to categorize your files that are stored in Acumatica. And in doing so, it also gives you the ability to secure these files to ensure that certain people have rights to them and certain people do not. So you can see right here, I'm on the File Tags configuration screen. And it gives me the ability to add more tags and also assign the security for them. So I can come in here, hit the plus button, give it a name for the tag. You can also give it a description. And then I can configure my rights based on the different roles. So for example, if I want, purchase order buyers to have full access or to view only, then I can select that here. And then it's pretty easy. When you're in a document and you're looking at an attachment, after you've attached the file, you can do one of two things. You can either click the edit button here, which brings you into the file document profile. And there you have the ability to select your tags. Or you can go back and right from this screen, you can select the tag. So if we hit the magnifying glass here, you can see the different tags that are available for this particular document based on my rights. So at that point, I can close it. And now I know this file can only be accessed by users that have the rights to the document's tags. But additionally, if I go into Search in Files, so Acumatica has a Search in Files area, which allows you to search through all your different files. And so what you could do here is you can look up the different tags, and you'll be able to see all of those files right here. So this is great. This allows us to finally organize the file attachments in Acumatica in a much better fashion. But more than organizing them, also secure sensitive information so that only the users that need to see it can see it. So thanks so much for watching this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hopefully you found it useful, and if you did, please click the like button. And if you have any questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and have a great day.